Hi, boys and girls. Today is lesson 23, activity 1 for this week. So this week we are talking about words that have suffixes on the end. So you have your base word and then you add a suffix to the end of the word. So I'm going to write that on the top of my board to show you. Suffixes like the ones that we're working on this week, ER, ly, and ful are added to the ends of words. They sometimes change the word's spelling depending on which suffix it is, the root word. So we're going to go through and kind of look at these carefully. So this week we have the suffixes er, ly, and ful. And then I kind of want to look at how it changes the meaning of the word. So the first word that we're going to write is singer, okay? And so let's just write singer. And a singer is someone that sings. So the root word of singer is sing. When you add in, so singing is something that you do, okay? If you add the er to the end of it, it becomes a singer, the person that's singing the song, okay? The next word that I want you to write on your desk is loudly. Write loudly. Okay, and the root word again is loud. We add a ly to the end. So we go from loud, how something sounds, to loudly. Okay, the baby cried loudly. The next word that I want you to write is joyful, joyful. So think about that root word, it's joy, and then you add the full to the end of it, joyful. Okay. Joyful, joyful. Joyful describes something like a song. A joyful song would be a happy song. A joyful person would be a happy person. The next word, is teacher, teacher. So the root word is teach, and then we add the er on to the end. So again, teach is like the action part of the word, and then if we add the er to the end of it, you get a noun, a teacher. I'm going to erase my board so I have some more room. The next word is fighter, okay? So let's write fight. Remember, there's 3 letters that make the I sound in this word. Okay. So we have fighter, F-I-G-H-T. So fight and then fighter on the end. Okay, the next word we're going to write is closely. So looking at something closely, like really paying attention to it. So closely. So you write the root word close and add the li onto the end. Be careful, you keep the e on this word. So closely. His dog walks closely beside him. So staying close to something or looking at something closely. Next word is powerful, powerful. I'm actually kind of wrote too big. Powerful. So with power, and then you add full to the end. Something powerful has a lot of power. A sports car would be very powerful. If you're a really good runner, you would be a powerful runner. Okay, P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L. Okay, next. Oh, and for those of you, sorry, I'll go ahead and stop for a second. Those of you that just do 5 words, I just did the first 7, so you might have done a couple extra. Today we're sorting the words. So words that end with F-U-L, L-Y, or E-R. So pretty easy. If it ends with the F-U-L, it goes here. L-Y here. If it ends with the E-R, it goes here. Okay? All right, next word. Farmer, farmer. Oh, you know what? Let's do the review words really quickly for those people that just do 5 words plus the review words. Okay, so the review words are hopeful. The first one is hopeful. So let's write hopeful. Okay, so the root word is hope. And then F-U-L to the end of it, hopeful. Then the next review word is safely, doing something safely. And most of these words describe an action or describe a person. Okay, safely, you do something safely. So safe, and then add a ly to the end of it. And so if you just do 5 words in the review words, let's see, secret message. I want you to write the word tired really small, T-I-R-E-D, because today I'm feeling tired. I had a very busy weekend, so tired. All right, moving on. The next word, so powerful was the one that we were doing just a minute ago, so I'm going to go ahead and write that one again. I can't remember if we finished it. So write the word power and add full to the end of it. So powerful. Okay, next is farmer. A farmer plowed his field. So a farmer plants crops. Okay, farmer. So F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Quickly. The girl ran quickly to the bus. So how she ran was quickly. So you write the word quick, Q-U-I-C-K, and add the L-Y to the end of it. Next word, careful. Careful. Okay, so write the word care, and then add the F-U-L to the end of it. That was 10. So if you do 10 words in the review words, you may stop now. Moving on to number 11, friendly. 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 So you write the word friend and then add ly. Remember, friend is like fry end and then add ly to it. A lot of us want to put the E first, but the I comes first. So always think fry end when you write friend. Next word is speaker. 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 Okay, so here speak, and then we add the ER to the end. Don't forget that EA goes together to make the E sound in speaker. Okay, next word is wonderful. Next word is wonderful. Wonderful. So wonder, and then add the F-U-L to the end of it. Wonderful. Okay, next word, number 14, truly. Truly. This is the one word that gets changed a little from the root word. The one word out of all the words, I think, this week. This one's changed, and I'll show you why. Okay, so if we were to write the word true, we would write T-R-U-E. So with all the other words on our spelling list this week, we would just add the L-Y to the end of it. But truly is not that way. For truly, you have to get rid of the E. Drop the E before you add L-Y. Okay? So it looks like this, truly. T-R-U-L-Y. So drop that E on truly before you add the L-Y. Okay, so if you have 16 words, you may stop now. We've done all 16. Those of you with challenge words, let's keep going. Your next one is higher. Higher. Okay, so you write the word high and add the ER to the end of it. The next one, hardly. Hardly. Okay, so you write the word hard and put a ly. These are pretty easy. I'm not sure why they're challenge words. Okay, the next one, gleeful, might be a little harder. If you do something, if something's gleeful, it's joyful, it's exciting, it's fun. So gleeful. Let's see who got this one right. So glee, G-L-E-E, and then you add the full to the end of it. Okay. Next one is listener, listener. So you write the word listen, and then add the ER to the end of it. Let's check your work. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-R. And the last one, calmly, doing something calmly. So you write the word calm and add the L-Y to the end of it. Okay. That's it for today. Good job.